Hi everyone, welcome to another Married to Reselling video. My name's Simon and I buy and sell online with my wife Faye. Got a great video for you today. I'm going to review some Amazon sales. So if you watch our haul videos from November and December, you're going to recognize a lot of these items that I'm reviewing. The purpose of this video is to show you the actual selling price versus the stated selling price when we did the haul video. So we often say that the price that something is for sale for is not often the price that it'll sell for on Amazon. Prices change all the time. So I'm going to review 50 products. You're going to see on the screen, just like this, what the actual selling price was, and I'll be cutting in the audio from the original videos so you can see what we were talking about at the time, what we hope to sell for. So will we make more or less money than we thought? Stay tuned to find out. The video that you'll see is in order as the haul videos were put out on YouTube. So they start from sort of early November and go up to December. They've been edited to what has sold on Amazon. We've sold a lot more of the stuff that features in those videos, but a lot of it sold on eBay via our cross-listing platform that we use. And it's important to point out that a lot of this stuff is used. The majority of the stuff that you're about to see was sold as used. Bear in mind where the differences occur, there's often quite a while between us showing the products in the haul video and them actually making it into FBA and live for sale for the customer. And if we couldn't quote a price because something was out of stock and therefore we couldn't see a current selling price, then I've just used the actual sales price as the comparison price. Okay, so this is a little Faye solo sauce. She paid $1.95 for this, and she stated she'd sell it for $12.58, I think. As you can see on the screen, sold in the end for £10.96.
Used £12.58.
And this is very much what happens with Amazon. Prices change all the time, and if you've got a repricer, your prices will match those changes of other sellers. So this one, she paid £2 for, cop it. Sold for $39.99, and I think when she looked it up it was 54 something.
£54.61, which I think is a bit high. We'll go probably lower. We'll check Keeper and see what sort of the history of sales is like on that one.
And this Cheapwell Games race night sold for $15.99. She paid $2.50, and it was currently at that stage £9.48 it was for sale for.
Well, the highest used is £9.48, but there's none in FBA, so we'll go higher than that.
And then getting together, the dream team, absolute balderdash. We sell this a lot. We paid $2.99. I'm not sure that we said it, but it's sold at $29.99. New, find it new, 65 quid. Used from $29.99. And Star Wars Risk. So this one sold at $49.99.
New only for $64.99.
How much you paid?
$15.99.
So 45 quid we want to sell that for, don't we? And upwards. It's cost us just £2. We sell this often. I think I said about 24. Sold for $29.99. Because in that condition it's around 22, 24. And where is Moldova? Bit of a fave. Played this a couple of times now. We paid £3. And I think we got a bit excited talking about this one. We didn't look it up, possibly. Or it wasn't for sale.
Yeah. But it's because we weren't playing it on a proper dining room table. We were playing it on a side table. Turn it over. So that was £3, and that sells for 25.
And then some DVDs here. $12.20 we got for Cirque du Soleil. It only cost 10p. And I think we said $14.98. $14.98 FBA. And another one is sold for £18. And it just cost us £2. Let's get £15 to £20 for that. No premium, hullabaloo. And this is a good sale, $31.49. A lot higher than what we thought. $20 to £25, and I paid $2.99. This one sold for a little bit less. Goes for about 20. We didn't give a sales price on this one, but it sold for $39.49. I think we're going to be happy with 30. It only cost $8.99. Could have checked it on eBay and could have checked it on Keeper for Amazon to see historical pricing, but to be honest, I couldn't be bothered. I just grabbed it for $8.99. Then a lot of these we got sort of a bit excited about when we were talking, and we didn't talk about the price of this one. I was just explaining here about not checking if the DVD was in there. Anyway, it sold for £20, cost $2.50. Game for Fame, I think we said it was going to sell for
$21.99.
For a bit less, another upwards there. $24.29 that sold for. I think we were hoping for sort of £17 or £18 on that one. It's a good game. If you haven't played Upwards and you like word games and stuff, give it a go. £3 I paid for that, and it sells for I think it's $17.99 at the moment used. It's a great sale. This love selling this. 44. I've just picked up another one actually. Paid 4 and thought around 35. Currently available from around £35 on Amazon. And this sold for $15.99. I think we thought it might go for around 20. It said complete, so I took their word for it because I paid a £5. And there we go. And that's I think it's around £20 at the moment. And it's what the intro. Nice sale. I mentioned in the video that the version was different, and I risked it in the end. Just the artwork. And this one goes for, at the moment, I think it was $22.50 or something. Twists and Turns. Nice sale. It sells for over 30. It's Game of Life Twists and Turns. It's not the one with crippling debt, which I was disappointed about. And then this one, this one was £6, and this sells for $24.99. This one sold for quite a lot lower, $16.99 it went for. I think I said 30. It was 30 at the time. 30 quid. 30 quid DVD. And this I'm in an R and over in the shop, which I was just explaining here. There was a lot of sellers, and it's big, costly to post, but it got a bit more than we thought. And they sell for 12 quid on Amazon. And then we'll just let the screen do the talking on this one. So you see the sales prices and what they were for sale for on those Funko Pops. Got some decent sales there. And then the Angry Birds, $49.99. It's not available used, and it's available new at £79.31. So there is every chance.
Well done.
That'll get 20 quid.
Nice.
30 quid. 50 Shades. Sold for $14.99, and I think at the time it was a little bit lower. That sold really quick, as you might expect.
700 and something in DVDs.
Well, can you remember how much it was going for roughly?
Like 13 or 14. Challenge! Exclamation mark. That's not an I. Look, it says on the front. Challenge.
Oh, right, yeah.
Challenge. I told him this in the shop. I knew he wasn't listening.
Challenge. I'm rarely listening. You paid £3 for that, and I think that was about 20. That was just Faye getting her point over about challenge. But it sold at a decent price. I think we maybe only expected maybe 20 at the time. I think it was the second one, or was that the first one? But yeah, pretty good. And the Santa's Rooftop sold a little bit lower. So that was £4. That was selling for about 25 new, I think, and that's used. So as these videos go on, this is getting closer and closer to Christmas, and as FBA Prime are, advertising delivery 1 day before Christmas, 2 days before Christmas, when you get in that close, you start dropping prices because you don't want a load of stock sitting in January. You still get sales between Christmas and January, and you still get sales in January and beyond, obviously, but really you're looking to make your money there. So some of the prices started to get a little bit different to what was being read out. All of these that I'm showing now, the last 4, including this one and the next 2, We didn't actually scan them at all in these videos. You can go back and watch the videos. They're all on our channel in our haul video playlist. So you can see the full videos there. But yeah, we didn't scan any of these at the time, so you can see the selling prices. Pretty good stuff. Kind of happy with those. Books, we didn't scan these at the time. As I've mentioned in a more recent video, I think we were hoping for a little bit more out of these DVDs, but not bad all the same. And then The World at War, these were really good sales. Bugs in the Kitchen, $17.99, a little bit lower than we'd hoped. A bit of a shame, but again, we're just trying to take those sales. This is really last days before Christmas now.
For sale use, £22.12.
Exactly the same deal with this one. Dropped and dropped and dropped it to get it gone.
I think Ravensburger makes such good quality products. I mean, their jigsaws are my favourite, if you didn't know that already. $19.99.
When you're sourcing for Q4, you're very much thinking about getting the high prices early on. If you don't achieve them, or if there's other sellers, then you take what you can get.
Only available new for $47.99.
So happy with that. After FBA fees, if I put that up for £40, after FBA fees, that'd be around £20 profit, just to give you an idea. This one didn't sell anywhere near quick enough. Now this sells on eBay for like 50 quid.
Sorry, how much did you pay?
£25. It's a really good example of being market aware, because this was selling a lot more on Amazon, but as I said, it was selling for 50 on eBay, and that's what we got for it. So I made about £13 profit in the end on that.
Hang on a minute.
What?
Isn't that what I got yesterday?
I don't know. Maybe.
I paid loads of money. I paid £15 for it, and you said it's been in the sun.
And this was the one where Faye recognised it from the previous haul, which was just a few slides back, so off I went to get it, see if it was the same. It was in our last haul video.
Challenge!
Won't bother scanning it, it's on our last haul video. Challenge again. And this one we didn't state the price, so it was out of stock, but fantastic price. That's a used game. $39.99 for a used game that cost us £6, I think that one. Really, really nice sale. And then the last one, this was brand new and sealed pretty much. It was like used other. So at the time it was brand new on Amazon for £54.17, and we sold it used like new, $39.99, cost £15. So around about £15 profit. Brand new and sealed sells for...
I've just written a letter to Jeff, and he's just going to write back to me with the answer. New, £54.17.
So there you have it, 50 items with their actual selling prices. Now what's really interesting is in that video we quoted selling prices for those 50 items at £1,371. And when I add up the actual selling prices, they came out at £1,357. So that's just a difference of £14. So from when we did the haul video and we're looking at current selling prices to the actual sales price, just £14, which is quite incredible really. I assumed it would be a lot lower than that. I assumed that our actual sales would be quite significantly lower, maybe 10 or 20%, but not at all. And out of the £1,357, Amazon took approximately 15%, which left us with £1,154. Take out the fees for shipping, approximately another £150, and take out the cost price of the items, which was £260. That left us with a total profit for these items pre-tax at £744.29. Let us know what you thought of the video. Do you think we did well? Did you expect more? Let us know what you think. Let us know also what you thought of the format of the videos. You like these kind of review videos? We'll do more of them if you do. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button. Really helps us out. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.